Bangladesh is a rapidly developing nation. It faces complex security challenges. Its airspace is vulnerable. Modernization of its air defense is critical. The country's current air defense system is outdated. It lacks the sophistication of modern warfare. This vulnerability exposes Bangladesh to potential threats. A robust air defense system is essential to protect its sovereignty. Investing in advanced air defense technology is not just an option, it is a necessity for Bangladesh. The FD-2000 air defense system, with its advanced capabilities, presents a compelling solution. It promises to bolster Bangladesh's national security infrastructure significantly. The FD-2000 is a long-range air defense system renowned for its precision and reliability. It is developed by China, a country known for its advancements in military technology. The FD-2000 is known for its advanced capabilities, including state-of-the-art radar systems. The system is designed to engage multiple targets simultaneously, ensuring comprehensive defense. These targets include aircraft, missiles, and drones, making it versatile in various combat scenarios. This system would significantly enhance Bangladesh's ability to defend its airspace from any aerial threats. It provides a strong deterrent against potential aggressors, showcasing military strength. The FD-2000's long-range capabilities are particularly crucial for early threat detection. They provide an early warning system, allowing for preemptive measures. This allows for timely interception of threats, ensuring the safety of the nation. The acquisition of the FD-2000 would be a strategic game-changer for Bangladesh, enhancing its defense capabilities. It would signal the country's commitment to safeguarding its sovereignty and national interests. The system's presence would contribute to regional stability, promoting peace and security in the area. The FD-2000 boasts advanced radar technology. It has a powerful fire control system. This enables it to engage multiple targets simultaneously. The system is highly mobile. It can be deployed rapidly. It is effective against a wide range of aerial threats. These include stealth aircraft and cruise missiles. The FD-2000's electronic countermeasures suite provides resilience. It can jam enemy radar and communication systems. Its maintenance and operational costs are competitive. This makes it an attractive option for Bangladesh. The FD-2000's combination of advanced technology and cost-effectiveness makes it a suitable choice. Section 4. Geopolitical impact on South Asia. The acquisition of the FD-2000 air defense system by Bangladesh has, significant geopolitical implications for the region. This new addition to Bangladesh's military arsenal could potentially alter the regional balance of power in South Asia. India in particular might view this development with heightened concern, considering its own security dynamics. The potential for an arms race in South Asia cannot be ignored, as neighboring countries may respond with their own military enhancements. However, Bangladesh's acquisition can also be interpreted as a defensive measure to protect its sovereignty. It aims to ensure its security in a volatile region where threats can emerge unexpectedly. Dialogue and diplomacy are crucial to mitigate potential tensions and prevent misunderstandings. Bangladesh must actively engage with its neighbors to foster mutual understanding. Reassurances and transparency in military intentions will be vital to build trust. This will ultimately foster regional stability and peace in South Asia. Section 5. Conclusion. FD-2000. Securing Bangladesh's skies. The FD-2000 air defense system offers Bangladesh a potent capability, providing a robust shield against aerial threats. It can significantly upgrade its air defense network, ensuring better protection for its airspace. The system's advanced technology, long-range capabilities, and cost-effectiveness make it a suitable choice for the nation's defense strategy. Bangladesh's decision to acquire the FD-2000 is driven by legitimate security concerns, aiming to bolster its defensive posture. In an increasingly complex geopolitical landscape, such a move is understandable and prudent. However, it is important for Bangladesh to balance its defense needs with diplomatic efforts, fostering regional peace and cooperation. The FD-2000 represents a significant investment in Bangladesh's national security, reflecting its strategic priorities. It underscores the country's commitment to safeguarding its sovereignty and ensuring the safety of its citizens. The system's induction will undoubtedly enhance Bangladesh's defense capabilities, contributing to regional stability and deterrence, and showcasing its military readiness. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay curious and stay informed. End.